Hi everyone, welcome to our brand new series, Ask the Analyst. I'm Ali, representing Alpho, and I would like to react to a question from Ahmed. Now, Ahmed asks, I am a trading beginner. How do I start trading? So, before jumping right into the market, it's important to learn just a few basics. This includes knowing more about the best trading hours, some basic terminologies used in trading, and what makes the markets fluctuate. Also, it's really important to manage risk. Don't worry, losing is part of trading. However, it's important to know and to keep in mind not to put all your eggs in one basket. One more thing I can tell you, Ahmed, is that it's important to control your emotions when trading. So don't be too greedy, be patient, and be disciplined, and that will ensure the survival and health of your trading account. If you didn't get the answer to your question, drop us a comment below and we'll get back to you.